Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to start our topic cell structure. We all know that each living organism is made up of cells, and cell is a functional unit of our life. Cell is made up of major three parts, out of which first is cell membrane. It is its outer membrane which covers itself and protects itself. The second is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a liquid floats inside the cell. And the third is nucleus, which stores the DNA. Next, these three parts and few cell organelles are present inside the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells has all these parts and well-defined structure. These kind of cells, like eukaryotic cell, are present in all kinds of plants and animals. But here is another kind of cell that is called prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell does not contain a true nucleus. It have genetic material, but genetic material is stored in any undefined manner. These kind of cells are present in few bacteria. And now we are studying what are organelles. Organelles are little organs present inside the cell, which can float inside the cytoplasm. Now we will study about what is inside the nucleus. Nucleus contains genetic material in the form of DNA. These DNA are made up of smaller thread-like structures which is known as chromatin. These chromatin are stored in nucleus which have its outer membrane called nuclear membrane. When cell is ready to divide, these chromatins are divided and joined to form chromosomes. This nucleus contains a nucleolus inside its center which produces the ribosomes. These ribosomes now come out of the nucleus and attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, or we can say ER. These ribosomes sometimes floats inside the cytoplasm and sometimes attach on the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, these endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, SER and RER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, which attach the ribosomes on it. Rough endoplasmic name itself because it have ribosomes on it. But on the other hand, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which does not contain ribosomes on its surface. Now, these endoplasmic reticulum provide a passage for the proteins provided by ribosomes. These proteins are passed out from this endoplasmic reticulum. Now, these vesicles contains proteins goes through the Golgi body, or we can say Golgi apparatus. These Golgi body have a function to joint these protein structure with another molecules. Here these proteins are modified into a complex structure and attach few other parts like lipids and carbohydrates. These are used by cell to produce energy. Now we will study about vacuoles. Vacuoles are present inside plant cell in a larger form. Plant cell have a large vacuole present inside it. But on the other hand, animal cells have a few vacuoles. Now, lysosome. Lysosome is a suicide bag of cell which digests the waste materials of cell. It removes the waste from cell. Now, here is mitochondria, which is called powerhouse of the cell. It generates the energy in the form of ATP. While during our cellular respiration, it uses our food and produces the energy in the form of ATP, which is known as adenosine triphosphate. Now students, this eukaryotic cell has this structure by cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is made up of microfilaments and microtubules which are hollow tube-like structure. We all know that there are few phototrophic plants which can prepare their own food. They have a special kind of cell which is known as plant cell. Plant cells are green in color. They occur photosynthesis in chloroplast. Chloroplast is green because it have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, it can prepare their own food. Also, plant cell has an extra outer cell wall which protect itself and provide strengthening. Now, thank you students for watching.